My name is Dax. I'm a second year undergraduate student of the Department of Geology and Geophysics and now lives BS course of Applied Geology. I'm a border Radha Krishnanala President. I am from Bhiwani, Haryana. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary Sports again. Technology student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. For the academic session 2026-2027.
Let's continue with the statement of purpose.
On this auspicious day, the men Indian cricket team won second ODI World Cup and the words of former captain of Indian cricket team, Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Leadership is not about best, that is about bringing the best from the others. Has been the guiding force throughout my journey and share my perspective on sports and leadership. The first General Secretary, Sports again, Technology student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, plays a crucial role in organizing and promoting sports and games activities among students. The course requires great commitment and perseverance to make an event successful. My desire for this course is from my time at this Congress institution, wherein interactive performance in interactive weightlifting team is required interactive sports team. Student member and institute college group. Executive member of public policy Secretary, weightlifting and powerlifting. Radha Krishnanala President. When I first stepped into the world of competitive sports, I secured second position in sports and physical aptitude test, Haryana. This monster printing of a small sign in our campus.
अबे जोर से बोलो
I also participated weightlifting with not only touch my physical needs, but also introducing what is required to strengthen internally and also crucial for you to know this. Powerlifting, okay? You know that you are involved in weightlifting and powerlifting. Just give me the differences about those events. क्या difference है उसका? Clarify with the basics. Come on. Powerlifting event includes standing, handstand, and squat. Next year, it might happen that because of the inter-sports meet, you might not be able to conduct Shaurya in the autumn semester. So, what is your plan regarding this? How will you be able to conduct Shaurya in the next semester?
Indian General Secretary, once again, Technology Student India, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, for the academic session 2026-2027. My first proposal is boosting interactive competitiveness through professional engagement and action plans. Objective of this proposal is however, this proposal is to enhance the competitiveness of our interactive sport. The propose conducting more practice matches against a single professional club to stimulate high intensity and non-mature interactive sports teams. Along with them, exhaustively monthly review process to identify and resolve bottleneck goals planned scored in their respective games. The inspector is proposal on balance pool of external talent, dividends, individual performance, and define team coordination and pressure. The legal performance leaders will ensure the important selection of interactive sports teams. The objective selection process, boosting player morale and team performance. My second proposal is Inter-All General Championship strengthen professionalism in organization. Objective of this proposal is to transform the Inter-All General Championship sports again into a high-profile league broadcasting, real-time management, and a modern reward system. The initiative is to enhance the number of participants in the event, secure corporate sponsorship, and celebrate the diversity of the sport community. Inspector, this proposal is 90% a significant pressure in football, with professional commentary, and trying to play to attract more active viewers from previously passive students. Launching Inter-All General Championship. General Championship present on campus line. The proposal is to boost the participation around the student body, specifically and special postgraduate and research scholars. Demonstrating contingent for the interactive sports meet.
One sec, hold on. Candidate,
My third proposal.
hold on. See, Soap has no meaning if you are not listening to him. Please, Soap has no meaning if you are not listening to him. We will stop everything then. You must listen to him. This is not the way. For what we are conducting this? To see your nuisance? You must listen to him. If you are not willing, you should go out. This is not the way. Pandit, I will not allow. They must listen. This is This fellow is doing what? Is he committing crime? I can understand, politically if you would. Your voice is being heard there.
I will add one thing. I will ask people to point the camera this way rather than a candidate. You can see the candidate, right? The camera will
What is
be
this?
rotated.
You are being, students. Prevail upon them.
Don't bother. The camera,
Is it not insulting? Tell me.
All right?
It is insulting.
All right? So all of
Tomorrow you will be contesting election. What is this? What kind of briefing you have come from? Please don't do this. My request is to you. Listen to him.
Yes, you can continue.
The third proposal is to digitize Gymkhana, gym registration and access. The objective of this proposal is to tackle the current manual training and slow registration process for technology student Gymkhana gymnasium membership by implementing an integrated digital platform. This platform will automate the entire process of slot booking from user account creation to the online payment processing by an independent technology student Gymkhana managed system, which will increase its transparency, efficiency and fairness. It will also lay the foundation for similar platform for all amenities provided by technology student Gymkhana. The impact of this proposal is this will significantly reduce the time and effort required to secure gymnasium flow, encouraging more students to pursue fitness. Digital tracking of registration across town slot will help Gymkhana identify peak hours of running. This data will help technology student Gymkhana make informed decisions on the budget for infrastructure and equipment. The automation of the system will ensure a just and equitable distribution of slots.
हेलो हेलो लक्ष्य इधर सो ये तूने डाला या नहीं बट एज अ सब पॉइंट इन योर सेकंड प्रपोजल यू हैव मेंशन्ड अबाउट कंडक्टिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम ऑफ जीसी इवेंट्स ऑन आईआईटी केजीपी स्पोर्ट्स यूट्यूब चैनल एंड यू हैव bloated insane amount of groundwork behind this. I have a very fundamental question for you. What is the subscriber count of IIT KGP Sports YouTube channel as of now and its ratio with the borders in IIT Kharagpur? Because I find this very infeasible.
Sir, the subscriber of IIT KGP Sports channel is irrelevant to my candidature.
भाई तेरे प्रपोजल में ये irrelevant कैसे है? मतलब तूने ग्राउंड वर्क फेक किया है क्या?
Sir, if you would like to know the number of subscribers IIT KGP Sports channel, it is 29.4 thousand.
भाई इतना it is wrong. It is very wrong. Please correct your groundwork before faking it to the public audience.
Daksh, can you hear me? In your first proposal, you mentioned that you will leverage alumni network to cover the funding gaps. So did you talk to someone? Did you have a soft commitment or a hard commitment? Or these are just baseless comments that you're making here?
Sir, the necessary groundwork implementation plan have rigorously discussed the respective stakeholders, and I also coordinated with Alumni Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, and they assure me and promote this proposal.
If they fail to deliver their assurance, what is your backup plan? What is your next step?
Sir, I made a framework about the positive technology student Gymkhana in a case of non-alumni fund. I coordinate with physical training instructor to make the budget of interactive sports field.
How will you measure and ensure the accuracy of matrices like step counts and gym attendance? As you have mentioned in your proposal 1, you will be finding a solution for this. Given potential issues with self-reporting or device access disparity among students.
Sir, as I mentioned in my first proposal, there is performance lasers will be created and maintained from time to time. This increase transparency and fairness, and the selection of interactive sports team will be based on the merits as it is maintained in performance lasers.
As you have mentioned that you will enhance the sports facilities, for that you will need to purchase sports equipment. Do you even know which part of Gymkhana looks after that and what is its composition?
Ma'am, could you please repeat your question?
As you have mentioned that you will enhance the sports facilities, and that's all, you will need to purchase the sports equipment. Do you even know which part of Gymkhana looks after it and what is its contribution?
Ma'am, I along with my team secretary will do the work of sponsorship of general championship to match the inter-general championship of sports and games.
You have mentioned of giving new awards to the best players in the general championship. So, give me the best player award given in the athletics right now.
Sir, in interactive sports field,
I was asking about the general championship.
let me complete my answer. In interactive sports field, the individual championship is done by the sports of Palli, Sanjana Reddy. And sir, the award of best athlete of inter-general championship is also given.
ये बताओ उसका क्राइटेरिया क्या रहता है? अगर मान ले दोनों को दो प्लेयर का पॉइंट सेम रहेगा तो किसको दिया जाएगा?
Sir, the criteria in a case of deadlock between best athlete, the number of points decided the best athlete. If in the case of this time, the athlete who placed more records get the best athlete award in inter-general championship.
As mentioned by other SNG candidates, the reforms concerning PG and RS, do you even know about the positions held by the PG and RS students?
There are two positions in sports and games for postgraduate and research scholar students. First game, coordinator of sports and game, technology, student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, is Mr. Panar Jasi. Department of Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering. Is from Gondiola President and the research scholar, coordinator of sports and games is Mr. Bhuvan Arora. Department of Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering. Please now, Ram Ambedkar President. Sir, I'm very disheartened that as a General Secretary, Sports and Games is not passed towards any student of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
But, as you have mentioned in your proposal that there will be live streaming and constant score updates, right? Don't you think with deteriorating participation of students, introducing this proposal is not a good idea? Because for this you will be needing a new sports team, right? You will be needing a new sports team and you need students in that. So how will you select these students and will they be a part of Gymkhana or not?
Sir, I strongly believe that this proposal enhances the entire General Championship as you have seen in entirety sport broadcasting. We have decent reach and visibility and games live.
Now please listen to my question. It was not the question. The question was how will you select the students?
I'm answering your question. And sports like cricket have a huge audience base on the scoring end. Cricket heroes.
भाई मेरा क्वेश्चन था तू स्पोर्ट्स टीम कैसे सेलेक्ट करोगे? Will they be a part of Gymkhana or not?
Sir, as I already mentioned, I along with my secretaries coordinate the Fargo sponsorship of Inter General Championship